What do you think of when you hear the word conflict? Do you think about people having disagreements and arguments? Or maybe conflicts like riots and war? Either way, will the world even be a better place without conflict? If there is no opposing forces exist, for sure there will be no politics and violence. But must remember, no diversity and no growth also will be followed by it. Conflict, like it or not, everyone must deal with it. Although conflict in the workplace is inevitable, it is not given that it has to be destructive. It somehow holds potential for personal growth, innovation, and increased productivity. How we respond to conflict is the key. If managed well, it can lead to best possible outcomes, or otherwise, it will lead to organizational stress if it is not taken seriously. That is how functional and dysfunctional conflict is explained. What is the causes of this conflict? There has two major causes of this conflict, which are the structural factors and also personal factors. For the structural factors, it can be forces by the external decreases such as organizational changes and also limited physical resources. For the personal factors, it will involve two people with mutual dislike. How about the consequence of this organizational conflict? Organizational conflict had caused various negative consequences that prevent the company to achieve their objective target as planned. One of the negative consequences is the delay in decision-making process and business operation. Second effect is high employee turnover due to the bad working environment that caused by organizational conflicts. Organizational conflicts will also increase the mental health issues among the employees. Lastly, the negative consequence from organizational conflicts is it will lessen the effectiveness of board's governance and company management teams. So, what is the approach to manage the organizational conflict? The first approach is the resolution approach. There are three ways to resolution approach, which are the negotiation, mediation, and arbitration. For negotiation, it is a method by which people settle differences while maintaining and improving the relationship as agreement is reached, while avoiding the arguments and disputes. Secondly, mediation. Mediation is a process in which a neutral mediator assists the parties through constructive discussion and negotiation of their issues in order to reach a mutually acceptable solution by helping both sides define the issues clearly, understand each other's position, and move to resolution during joint sessions. The third one is arbitration. Arbitration is a process whereby parties to a contract submit disputes arising between them to an independent third party for resolution, such as certified professional arbitrator. The second approach to manage the organizational conflict is accommodation approach. In this accommodation approach, there is a lose or win situation. Basically, this approach will use a third-party negotiator such as the CEO and establish a procedural system that allows parties to air their grievances. And the last approach to manage the organizational conflict is collaboration approach. People use this approach to emphasize the problem solving and integration of each other's goals to find a win-win solution to the problem at hand.